And I'm back with excitement. We have 300 Betta fish to unpack. It is after hours. I have 2 hours to do it, so we're going to do that now. Holy crap. That is a lot of Betta fish. Wow. Okay, so I only have an hour now to unpack them, acclimatize them to their tanks. So they all live in those tanks over there. So what we're going to do now is work out what is what. Apparently in this lot there are some delta females, some normal females, there are heaps of koi females, so somewhere in there is a koi female. Well, 30 koi females somewhere in there. There are some white and some pure black crown tails. There'll be some red white dragon plicats, some jet black plicats. I have no idea where the jet black plicats are. Can't wait to see them. There are some huge Dumbo air males somewhere in there. Some long fin koi, what are they, half moons? Haven't even seen them. That is a female koi there. So these guys will, or girls, will color up really well within the next sort of hour or two. Yeah, so let's go to, oh, there's twin tails somewhere in here too. I have no idea where the twin tails are. Half the fun is trying to figure out what they are and then what color they're going to be. But yes, anyway, we will jump to a few of the fish in a tank so you get to see what they look like. Let's go and do that. Okay, we've got a couple of solid black plicats. I kind of want to take this one home because it's awesome, but you have tomorrow 10 till 4 to buy it, so I don't take it home. That's everyone's warning. And this super shy little one is a koi half moon. That is an awesome fish. How nice is that fish? Whoop. And if I can hold the camera still, that is another koi half moon. I think that one's nicer than the other one. These ones retail for 50 bucks each. I only managed to get a few because they're hand selected and they don't send us the crappy ones. How nice is that fish? That is a nice fish. Does this one look better? Oh god. That is a female koi. She's a pretty fish. We have tons of female kois, so this is just one of many. I'll grab another couple. That is another koi girl. These are 38 each. Almost conditioned to breed as well. I have no idea what colour she's going to go, but she's starting to get blue on her. And she's on. Well, that one's freaking awesome. Oh, she's gone. She's there. There she is. Focus. Another koi girl. She has an awesome spot. More spots. So that is a freaking sweet white crown tail. I don't know if I can say freaking. I can say freaking. Freaking, freaking, freaking. Freaking nice. That is a very cool fish. That is a, what are you? You're a double tail half moon, I think. Or maybe just a double tail. That is nice. Twin tail, double tail, twin tail, two tails. All round nice fish. That is another twin tail. We're calling them twin tails, not double tails now. But that is a really, really nice fish. That is a super, super nice female koi. So we've got quite a few this colour. That is a nice fish. And that is a super nice female Dumbo. They're called Dumbos because they're part elephant. Well, they're actually not part elephant. They have the big fins on the front that apparently look like elephant ears. So there you go. That is a Dumbo. That is a super, super nice double tail. Very, very cool. Not that you can really see him, but he is cool. That is an awesome, awesome female yellow Dumbo. So she may say yellow, she may go fluorescent pink. No one knows. But how cool is she? That is a cool fish. That is a lavender Dumbo female. She is pretty awesome. May even be more awesome than the yellow one. That's a nice fish. That is a pretty awesome double tail. Look at that. That's a nice fish. And that is a black crown tail. Metallic black, but still black. Another awesome, awesome little fish. Double tail. That is a huge, huge double tail. No. That is another really nice double tail. Holy crap, they are awesome. Go away, half-beak. Lovely fish. That is a really nice red veil tail. And another double tail, because there are so many awesome double tails and not enough video of them. Wow, that is a nice fish. Look at that. You are a nice fish. Thank you, Paul. That is a super, super nice, normal, common female. Wow. She is extremely blue. That is a very cool peachy female. How nice is she? We actually have 50 of these, so what I'll probably do is just jump to a couple of videos of all the girls together. That is an awesome, awesome fish. Look at her. She is a normal female. Wow. There's not much normal about that. That is another really nice female. I kind of want to take her home, but I'm not going to. She is available. Wow, she is nice. I have no idea what type this is, except weird. So this is a weird type. Wow. Complete with bright red head, dark blue tail, super strange body. It's a weird one. That has got to be the coolest color, if you can call that a color. Look at that. It's like see-through used toilet paper color. Used toilet paper can be good? No, it can't. I'm just going to shut up now. Okay, those are Dumbo females from above. So you can see why they're called Dumbos, because they're part elephant again. Very, very cool. How cool are they? Wow. There's some really nice females. Those ones are green. Look at that one. So we'll put them in the tank. Okay, now all the females are in the tanks. There are some really, really nice girls in these lots. We have about 80, 90 girls in stock at the moment. So these are all the deltas, the normals, and I think there's a few crown tails in here somewhere. There's a crown tail, a spiky one. Absolutely really nice fish. Pure white ones, all sorts. And there's a black one down there. Hard to see on this angle, but you get the idea. Look at that one. That one is purple. Girls being girls, sorting out who's boss. There are some absolutely amazing kois. So we've got Galaxy kois, Nemo kois, every other type of koi you can sort of pick. Wow, look at that one there. That is a nice fish. Anyway, thank you for watching. All these fish are available. We're open tomorrow, 10 till 4. Yes, if you want to see more videos like this, just comment below, because that would be wonderful. Then I'll know to make more videos. How pretty is she? Wow. Nice fish.